We've talked a little bit about, Six Sigma. I also know one of your big specialties is Kaizen. Today, I would love to learn a little bit more about your experience implementing Kaizen within your teams. What was it? How did it work?
So I got introduced to Six Sigma when I was a reliability engineer. Actually, I think I might have still been a maintenance supervisor at the time, and we had mechanical seal failures. They just kept failing over and over and over again. So the team decided to bring in a reliability engineer to help us go through a Six Sigma experiment and figure out, why is this happening? And we did find out the root cause. There was actually a few root causes, but I became obsessed with, oh my God, this is great. Like, this is eliminating all the defects and eliminating a lot of the waste that has been bothering me my whole life since I was 10. So went in, got a black belt in Six Sigma. Part of that was Kaizen. So a part of Six Sigma is Kaizen. Some people think of it as an event. To me, I think of it as a culture. So what does Kaizen mean? Literally, it means a change for the better. Some would say it means a small change for the better. Typically, it's you look at a complicated workflow process, you identify all the non-value added steps, and you eliminate them. And then you identify business value added steps, and you simplify them. And then at the end of that, you put in some sort of control process to make sure that this is sustained and that people can easily follow it. I think of Kaizen as a way of life. What I like is when people make small improvements every single day. So when they leave work that day, it's just a little bit better than it was the day before. And if you're going back to defect elimination, that was actually the mantra of defect elimination. It wasn't these big giant projects. It wasn't a Pareto analysis that said, find the 5 pumps that are causing 80% of our maintenance cost or 80% of our downtime. It was, hey, mechanic, what's bothering you right now? Oh, it's the way this door handle turns. All right, we're going to fix that. Well, why are we going to fix that? It's going to make no difference. Yeah, but you do that 100 times, it's going to make a huge difference. And what you start doing by doing these little things over and over again, you actually you make it a habit. It's like playing a sport. It's like playing a guitar. By repping out good maintenance 1,000 times, it's not one giant Six Sigma project. It's 1,000 small, mini little Kaizen events. Every work order treated as a Kaizen event. Now I developed this habit. And now, because I'm doing that through defect elimination, not only am I getting the bugs out, but now I'm not adding new bugs in.
I love that you bring this into the maintenance and reliability space too, because I feel like a common thing that I've heard, at least from talking to a lot of our customers, is that maintenance reliability is commonly viewed as the department that's just supporting, sustaining, and maintaining status quo, not trying to make it better every single day. What I'm hearing from you is that's the complete opposite. We don't want to just maintain status quo. We want to make things better than it was yesterday.